This is my science fair board. So up here we have the title, Which Brand of Paper Towel Absorbs the Most Liquid by Rhianna. Now to the left of that we have the Plenty logo and a piece of the brand. And to the right of it we have the Bounty logo and a piece of paper towel from there. In the middle we have the observation, what brand we use, the starting amount of liquid and the ending liquid, and the amount of liquid it absorbed. Now to the bottom of it we have my conclusion, which is, after performing the experiment, gathering my data, and looking at my results, I realized my hypothesis was correct. Because Bounty absorbed the most liquid, I feel I was able to answer my scientific question throughout this experiment because the larger amount of liquid left had less observation. I feel my data was accurate because I used the same amount of liquid starting out as well as the same time and temperature of water. I also feel that I collected enough data to answer my scientific question by proving what brand absorbed the most liquid. The pattern I noticed was a prime source had all the same amount absorbed by the other two brands. Weird. I have knowledge that Bounty is the best brand to buy. I don't feel I need another experiment to find more information. What I found challenging about the scientific method I used to complete my experiment was to make sure I was using the exact amount of liquid each time. If I were to do this experiment again, I would increase the amount of time to see if it helps absorb more liquid. The scientific skills I learned and use in the future is to buy a name brand paper towel. Overall, I feel my scientific experiment was successful and Bounty really is a quicker prepper. So, by my conclusion, I have a picture of me while doing the experiment, and to the right of that we have my hypothesis, which is if I use 3 different brands of paper towels to absorb the water, then I think Bounty will absorb the most liquid. Underneath that we have the problem, which brand of paper towel absorbed the most liquid, and we have the prime source logo with a piece of its paper towel. Underneath that we have my science fair steps, and to the right of that we have my consistent variables, another picture of me while doing it, my dependent and independent variables, and another picture of doing it. So that is my science fair project board.